Past year case law of Negotiable Instrument Act. Supreme Court has laid down the certain direction to the criminal court for speedy and expeditious disposal of case failing under section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act in the case of Indian Bank Association and others versus Union of India. Uh, in recent Supreme Court held that where the check amount is interest and the cost as per in the case, Supreme Court was held that where a check amount to the interest and cost as per section as assessed by the court in the specific date, the court is entitled to disclose the proceeding and exercise its power under section 143 of the act, read with section 258 of CRPC. That case is MS Meters versus Instrument Private Limited and others, ANRI versus Kanchan Mehta, in which of the following judgment has been Supreme Court held that only those court within those territory limited the Dwarki Bank is situated which would have been jurisdiction to try the case for offence under section 138 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. Darsarath Roop Singh Rathod versus State of Maharashtra, another 2014. Match table. First, Prabhu Dayal versus Jawal Bank, forgery of signature, discharge of liability by cancellation section 82, payment in due course section 10, protest 100. Inchoate stamp instrument section 20 of the Negotiable Instrument Act. Liability of acceptor and negotiable instrument, Union Bank of India versus Ankur Corporation. Liability of an endorsee, section 35 of Negotiable Instrument Act. Liability of drawee of check, section 20 of section 31 of Negotiable Instrument Act. Kundan Lal versus Adalal Lal custody, burden of proof of failure of consideration of odd negotiable instrument. C.T. Joseph versus I.V. Phillips, presumption under section 118 of negotiable instrument arise only if the execution of document is proved as true. A.V. Murthya versus B.S. Nagabeswana, a negotiable instrument is presumed to be drawn for consideration. Beni Mahavanath versus Jogendra Nath Balwa, a statutory presumption in vigor under section 118A of the Negotiable Instrument Act is rebuttable. Illegal condition of a disposing a check, इसका होगा प्रदीप बहुराजा लोनाखड़ वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. उसके बाद है फीलिंग ए कंप्लेंट फॉर डिसऑनर ऑफ चेक, इसका होगा एस रामास्वामी एमडी वर्सेस टी अपैया. तीसरा नेग्लिजेंस इन द कलेक्शन ऑफ डिमांड ऑफ फॉर्ज डिमांड ड्राफ्ट, इसका होगा यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया वर्सेस बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा. लायबिलिटी ऑफ ए बैंक कलेक्टिंग फॉर नेग्लिजेंस, इसका होगा सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया लिमिटेड वर्सेस गोपीनाथ नायर.